Are you looking for consistent, bubble-free mixing every time you prep your materials?
Do you need a reliable tool to save time, labor, and improve your medical devices?
If the answer is yes, then we have a great solution for you.
Hi, my name is Ko.
And this is Sergey with THINKY USA.
We are looking forward to seeing you at the MD&M East Expo in New York. This is a great event focused on the future of medical devices.
We can't wait to learn more about your new products, answer your questions, and discuss how a THINKY mixer can help you.
We'll be at booth 528. We hope to see you soon.